Let's do the hard resetting of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in case you forgot the screen password or you want to hard reset your phone due to any reason. If you remember the screen password or you don't, hard resetting is different in both cases. So in this video, I will show you guys both ways of hard resetting. It's a short video, stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do the hard resetting of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in first scenario in which you know the password of the screen but your phone got virus in it, freezing, or due to any reason hard reset is needed. So before to go for hard resetting, transfer important information from this phone to another device, otherwise you will lose it. And another thing, if you have any Gmail signed in the phone, you should know the password of that, because after hard resetting your phone will ask. If you don't remember, it's not a big deal, just remove that Gmail from the phone before to go for hard resetting. So let's do that. To do the hard resetting of this phone, it should be completely turned off. To turn off this device, just press and hold the volume down key and power key together. Press power off one more time and wait until your phone is completely off. So now phone is off. So now it's two key combination. You need to press and hold the volume up key with power key. Let's do that, volume up and power key together. And once you see a Samsung Galaxy logo, you need to release both keys. Now it will take us to the recovery mode. Okay, right here, let me zoom in so that we can see it clearly. Okay, now use the volume down key and come for wipe data factory reset. To select that option, press power key one time, volume down key. For factory data reset, press volume key the power key one time. Now data wipe completed. It's gonna ask you to restart the phone, reboot system now. Just press power key one time. So that's all. Like this phone now gonna turn on from the initial setup, like you turn on your phone first time. Every information you had in the phone is erased already, and you need to do the initial setup. Now let's talk about the second scenario in which you forgot the screen password. Now you don't have access to your phone to transfer the information, so you will lose the data, and you should know the Gmail password, because after hard resetting your phone will ask. So the device has to be turned off, and it will not let you to turn it off if you don't remember the password. It's gonna keep asking you to put the password. Let me show you. So press volume down and power key together. Okay, if you hit the power off, okay, one second, power off, you're gonna keep asking you to put the password which you don't remember. So in this scenario, we have to turn off the phone forcefully. To do that, your phone should be connected to the charging cable. Let me do that. Okay, so now your phone is charging. So it's two steps in this scenario. In first step, we have to press and hold the volume down and the power key together. Let's do that, volume down and power key together. Press and hold until the screen goes blank. Okay, now release the volume down and hold the volume up while keep pressing the power key. Once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you should release the both keys. Press and hold. Press and hold. Okay, now you can release both keys. So it will take us to the recovery mode, and we don't need the charging cable anymore. So from here it's the same way like we did in the first scenario. Use the volume down key for wipe data, factory reset, press power key one time to select that, volume down, factory data reset, press power key one time, data wipe completed. And now it's asking us to reboot the system. Now just select the power key one time. Now it will restart from the initial setup, and you will see this no more screen password on the screen. So that's all. Initial setup has been completed and the password on the screen is removed. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any question regarding how are you setting this phone, are you facing any trouble, feel free to write down in the comment section. I would love to reply on that. So that's all. Please subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourself, and